Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step installation of our mechanical U-channels. Designed for monolithic tempered glass panels, these systems provide a secure, efficient, and hassle-free glazing solution, making them ideal for various architectural applications. Our GGH Mechanical U-channels are available in Comfort Series and Economy Series, providing a secure and easy-to-install solution for tempered glass panels ranging from 3/8 inches to 1/2 inches in thickness. These channels eliminate the need for glass drilling, streamlining the installation process for efficiency and convenience. Comfort Series features adjustable mounting brackets, allowing fine-tuned alignment. The Economy Series, on the other hand, uses fixed screw holes for a straightforward, secure fit. Both versions come in 10 feet header lengths and available in 3 premium finishes: brushed anodized aluminum, matte black aluminum, and satin anodized aluminum. Each mechanical U-channel kit includes the following components: aluminum extrusion, channel brackets with screws, setting blocks, a set of cladding, which is available in big cladding or small cladding options. Aluminum end cap are sold separately. For the Comfort Series, the package includes adjustable channel brackets with adjustable nuts for precise alignment. Let's install GGH Comfort Series. Step 1. Installing aluminum channel. Mark the installation points for the M6 flathead screws on the installation surface. Drill holes and insert the screws, then tighten them to secure the aluminum channel in place. Step 2. Insert adjustable nuts. Insert all 9 adjustable nuts into the aluminum channel. Step 3. Position the glass. Place setting blocks inside the channel and carefully position the glass panel on top. Step 4. Secure the glass with brackets. Attach the adjustable brackets and tighten them with M6 flathead screws. Step 5. Install cladding and end cap. Choose either small cladding or big cladding. Install cladding on both sides one by one. Make sure to slide the bottom side in first. If it is required, then install an end cap. Let's install GGH Economy Series. Step 1. Mark and drill the holes. Mark and drill holes for M6 flathead screws on the wall, floor, or ceiling. Insert and tighten screws to secure the aluminum channel. Step 2. Position the glass. Place setting blocks inside the channel and carefully position the glass panel. Step 3. Secure the glass with brackets. Attach the fixed position channel brackets and tighten with M6 flathead screws. Step 4. Install cladding and end cap. Choose either small cladding or big cladding. Install cladding on both sides one by one. Make sure to slide the bottom side in first. If it is required, then install an end cap. GGH Mechanical U-channels are ideal for a variety of applications, including interior partitions, office enclosures, shower enclosures, and storefront glazing. Their sleek design and secure installation make them the perfect solution for modern spaces. Thank you for choosing Grey Goat Hardware's mechanical U-channels. For custom finishes or length requests, contact us at technical.toronto@ggshardware.com. Visit ggshardware.com to explore more premium products.